Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the SD card and mounting it in your Redmi. Insert the card, then open Settings and tap Storage to confirm the card appears. Make sure the card is formatted for use if prompted. Next, back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or local storage to prevent data loss. Once done, grant files and WhatsApp storage permissions so the system can move data. These steps let you proceed safely to change the save location. Now you move existing WhatsApp media to the SD card. Open the built-in file manager, navigate to internal storage/WhatsApp, and select the WhatsApp, databases, and media folders. Choose Move or Copy, then paste them into the SD card route. Make sure folder names remain exactly the same so WhatsApp recognizes them. After copying, check folder permissions and available space on the SD card. This ensures WhatsApp can read and write new files without errors. Finally, adjust app settings and verify everything works. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Storage, and Data to confirm media auto-download preferences, and check that new media lands on the SD card. If your Redmi offers a default write location in Settings Storage, select the SD card for media. If WhatsApp fails to detect moved files, restore from your backup and rerun the move. If persistent, reformat the SD card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.